Hey everyone, it's Joanne. You have got to see this really cool shredder for chicken or pork or beef, turkey as well. In the past, I would use two forks and shred everything. It took forever. It was messy. This is so much quicker, easier, faster, and it does the job better. You just take the lid off. It has these teeth that have cross design. So when you twist, it shreds everything up perfectly. I'm going to take our leftover turkey because we're going to make a turkey salad sandwich. Place the lid and just twist away. So you don't have to use a lot of effort. It's got these grippers on the bottom so it stays in place so you can do your twisting and then twist as much as you want for how shredded you want the meat to be. Take the lid off and look at that, all nice and shredded and perfect for our turkey salad. Now this is dishwasher safe, so it makes it easy to clean. This shredder is perfect for fast and easy meal prep for all the things, and it cleans easily. We love it.